My name's Henry Leedham and we're here at Desford, Leicestershire, milking about 240, going through the Parlour at the minute. 8 hours a day milking, and we needed to shorten it down, and we wanted better cow flow, and then the rapid exit just to get the cows get flows like faster. They come in on their own. Cows stand a lot better when they come in. They stand a lot better when they're milking, just because they're at 90 degrees. It's easier for the operator because there's cows there. You can just, the cows are easier to look at because they're pretty much, you're looking at them. And as soon as you open the front, they're out and they're gone. Back down, next one's in. I know it didn't take that much getting used to, really. It's all pretty straightforward still. Milk yields have come up because the cows aren't standing around for as long.
My name's Tom Leedham. I'm brother to Henry. If I was to describe this parlour, I'd say it was quick, efficient and cow friendly. We're saving about 6 hours a day, and when we're busy we're using those extra 6 hours more efficiently.
We had the MooMonitors because we knew that we were coming into a Dairymaster Parlour, and it was to try and up the fertility and try and get the cows in calf quicker. Like if one cow starts drifting away from the herd, you can pick it up quicker because you can see it on the computer. When we have a cow in heat as well, it drafts it out automatically, so then it's there ready to be AI.
Well, with having the one system, it seems very easy with everything connecting together. The MooMonitor being on our phones and everything, everybody isn't just one person to sit down at the computer and look at it. We can all look at it and we can all take information from that no matter where we are.
Well, basically when one comes in the parlour, it'll tell you it's going to draft, and then if it's in heat it'll draft it out automatically, or you can draft it out in the pit or set them to draft off the computer. You can put them to schedule drafting for if we're PDing or foot trimming or whatever. You can set a date and it'll draft them out on that morning or night milking. We installed the tank with the Parlour. We went for a 20,000 litre because in the hope of increasing cows and being able to hold the milk and to move to every other day collection. Always cool straight away, and with the bottom fill it always cools the milk pretty much straight away, especially when there's the one milking in there before, it's almost going in there cool.